Hi, Crumb Boss.
Wow, you're starting on me for one.
I'm starting on you because everything's empty down on the table right now. It's not filled.
Yeah, I know. Well,
See, we got empty containers.
yeah, I didn't make anything yet. But
You didn't make anything yet. We got a couple of cans of, we got the pumpkin stuff and the milk still going on.
yeah, well, that's what we're here for, everybody. Crumb Boss TV. We're here to make stuff.
Make stuff.
All right, we're gonna make pumpkin mousse.
Pumpkin mousse.
Yeah. Pretty simple recipe. Right in here I have my sugar and my cinnamon and a little bit of cloves and some ginger. These are all pumpkin spices that you'll find in fall. Everything that Steph loves.
I love coconut in summer.
Yeah, definitely not molasses and pumpkin, that's for sure.
No way.
If you notice what I'm doing here, I'm rubbing my sugar through my very finely ground spices. That is going to prevent, when I dump this mixture into my liquidy mixture, it's going to prevent all those little spice balls from forming.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's so funny? Alright, over here on my stove, in my sauce pot, I have pureed pumpkin and some evaporated milk. Alright, and to that I'm going to add that sugar spice mixture. Now you're going to let that cook down and get kind of hot, and the sugar's going to melt and all of that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to cool this mixture, because we have to make a mousse, right? And whenever we make mousse, that means we're folding whipped cream into whatever base.
It's not buttercream, right?
That's right, it's not. Anytime you make a mousse recipe, whether it's chocolate mousse, pumpkin mousse, white chocolate
mango mousse.
Mango mousse, right. That means we're using whipped cream.
Okay.
So today we're making pumpkin mousse. So to this cooked pumpkin mixture, after it's been cooled, alright, you want to transfer that into a big bowl, because we have to then mix all of this stuff together. So transfer it to a pretty big bowl that gives you enough room.
There goes the cricket. You probably can't hear him, but we can. But he's cute. His name's Jiminy.
Good. I pretty much just kind of made up this recipe for you guys, and I'm hoping it's good. We'll taste it after.
No, you'll taste it after.
Oh, I will taste it after.
This is, I can't eat anything.
Let me get a better spatula.
Alright, so we have pumpkin mousse, and this is the pumpkin here with the cloves and everything, and the Crumb Boss whipped cream, and she's...
I think I left my windows open and it's pouring rain outside right now.
You scared the daylights out of me. What the heck, Gretchen?
I just went by the door and it's pouring rain, and I remembered my windows are open in my car.
Well, go shut them.
Well, we'll be done in a minute. Anyway.
I thought something happened.
Yeah, my car's getting
Why'd
soaked.
you do that? You just freaked me out, you big jerk. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Live,
My
Crumb Boss
car's
TV.
getting soaked.
Well, go do it.
And
Don't
then
scare me like that. I don't like people.
Stop the thing and then start over again?
No, I said talk about whipped cream. I can entertain
No, 'cause then
people.
I'll come back
Oh, here,
back.
we'll edit it out.
All right, everybody.
I can't handle this.
What? We have our mixture, pumpkin mixture.
Well, you went behind the wall and then the monsters come.
Yeah, you're so scared of everything.
I am. I'm so sensitive.
She's a scaredy cat.
I am.
All right, well, let me finish this so I can go close my windows.
Stop it!
All right. Pumpkin mixture cooked down with the sugar and the spices, the evaporated milk. Cool that mixture, because if you put this whipped cream, which I already whipped up, into this hot mixture, you're going to have a soupy mess. You really only do need 2 cups of liquid heavy cream whipped up. Is going to give you a volume about 4 cups. So if you am understanding that, which you guys who are more advanced bakers will understand what I'm talking about, but anyway, I'm going to start out with just about 2 cups of that whipped cream to lighten up my mixture. And then I'm going to add the remaining 2 cups.
It's 4 cups.
Because what I said was 2 cups of liquid, when you whip it up, comes up to 4 cups.
Yeah, duh.
Right, exactly.
Oh.
So it's 4 cups of whipped cream or 2 cups of liquid.
Yeah.
Same thing. All right? So, there you have it. There's pumpkin mousse. Now, this, guys, is not going to set up firm like a chocolate mousse would, because there's no gelatin in here. There's really nothing in here that's going to make it set up firm. This is going to stay a soft center of a cake or something like that. So be aware of that. You know, if you guys are like, oh my God, my mousse is not setting up, it's just like liquid, well, that's because we didn't add anything to stabilize it, to tighten it up. You could add gelatin if you want. You could even add some white chocolate, because white chocolate, when it's cold, it does set up. But since I'm using this mousse just to pour into some parfait glasses,
Yeah.
I don't need it to set up.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look, I just put that into a pastry bag.
Okay.
I'm going to put it into here, pipe a little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit. There. And then what I'm going to do, remember last year I made ginger cookies?
Yeah.
I took a ginger cookie and I ground it in the food processor.
Yeah.
I'm going to layer some
Oh,
of
so you
that.
got the ginger cookie.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pumpkin
cool.
mousse with ginger cookie parfait.
Nice. Oh, that looks cool.
Right?
That's pretty. Yeah.
Alright, so there's that.
Uh-huh.
A little bit more on top. And then you have a real nice, simple fall dessert.
That's cool.
Okay?
There we have it. Pumpkin mousse with a ginger cookie made by the Crumb Boss. And now you're going to go shut your
I'm gonna
windows.
shut my windows now.
It's a monsoon.
Oh, you can hear it.
I bet
It's
you, I
pouring.
don't think it's, yeah. All right.
I have my windows open like this much.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.